The AI Woods Ultimate AI Ecosystem. AI vs human. What AI can't replace. 1. Emotional intelligence and empathy. 2. True creativity, original thinking. 3. Ethics, values, and moral judgment. 4. Critical thinking and complex decision making. 5. Human relationships and trust. 6. Hands on skills and real world work. 7. Adaptability and human instinct. So, these are the quick comparison and final thoughts. The future belongs to people who use AI as a tool, focus on human strengths, combine technology plus creativity. Key takeaway: AI will not replace humans. Humans who use AI will replace those who don't. Thank you.